Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you my fire alarm system, half of which I've created and half of which I've bought offline. As you guys can probably tell, the Wheelock Exceder and Simplex 2099, I forget the exact model number, 2099 9761 pull station are both bought offline. The rest of it I've made, including this pull station and this panel. Hopefully, I will soon be getting a Firelight MS4 panel and a Firelight VG12 to replace these homemade items. But for now, I hope you enjoy the items that I've created. In a later video, I'll get into how my homemade devices work, their similarities and differences to the manufactured devices. But for now, let's just get right into the video. So as we start off, the system is immediately in walk test mode automatically. So if I activate an alarm and reset it, everything resets with it. And everything just goes back to normal. In order to be able to reset the pull station with the device continuing to sound, you must acknowledge it at this switch right here. Acknowledge. Pull station is reset, however the alarm continues to go. To reset it from this state, simply flip the switch back up to normal. This switch is connected directly to the warning device, meaning that it can also be used as a test or fire drill switch. Next, I will demonstrate system silence. For that, simply depress the silent switch. The system is now silenced. Putting silence back up to the normal state will reactivate your alarm until the pull station is reset. One feature that I've worked into this system is where you can silence a zone. This could either be used for maintenance or if you want to keep other devices available. Because right now, if I silence and disable all NAC functions, everything on this board will not work. However, up here, Zone 2 is connected to this pull station here. Disable Zone 2, and Zone 1 will still function, which is a pretty nice feature. Using this, I can silence the zone that is alarming, so a re-alarm can occur. For example, this is activated, and silence it. We just go ahead and reset that. That way, another zone can be alarmed. Silence the system. I'll reset this device. Those are the basic functions of my fire alarm system and the control panel. One other thing I'd like to include in this video is a little bit about my notification appliance, the Wheelock Exceder. This is the Wheelock Exceder HSR 4-horn strobe red. To take it off the mounting plate, simply use a small screwdriver as such. There's a small hole at the bottom of the Exceder you can simply insert the screwdriver into. Then pry it up and off. A loud pop will occur. That's normal. Bring your Exceder up and out as you bring it off the mounting bracket. Here are your wiring terminals, positive and negative. And these terminals which feed into the silver ports in the back there. This is the back of the Exceder. This is your horn here, of course facing out the front, and out select and horn select. The horn select has a total of 6 different options: code 3, low, medium, high, and continuous, low, medium, and high. I will now demonstrate for you continuous low volume. Please note, however, that I have put a large layer of tape over the horn so that it is nearly not as loud. So it's like on extra low volume, I guess you could say. I'll demonstrate this using fire drill. As you probably heard, it is seemingly louder and more annoying than the code 3. Put that back to code 3, and to be able to mount this device properly, 2 slots on the top of the Exceder, 2 slots on the top of the mounting bracket. Line those slots, bring the Exceder down, snap it into place. One thing I forgot to mention about my system is I have 2 auxiliary switches on zone 4, down here. The auxiliary switches are located here as such. Of course, as stated earlier, these are in walk test mode as it is. Maybe. Oh, system silence. Okay. They can be immediately reset, not needing any key or code to reset them. However, the nice thing that I've integrated into these is that you can still have all of your silence functions, as you saw in the beginning. Silence the system, reset it, and reset there. You can also do zone disable and acknowledge along with all those other features. I hope you guys enjoyed this video for now, and I'll see you guys later in a future video talking about my alarm panel and my homemade pull station. Until next time.